Okay, in this video, we're going to be talking about distance in the third dimension. Again, we're just adding another axis. So normally we have x, y just by itself for 2 dimensions, but now we're going to have x, y, and z. We're adding that third axis, that third dimension. Doesn't really change that much when it comes to the distance formula. We're just adding another difference squared underneath the square root. Okay? So including the x and the y. Now we're including a z. That's it. We still keep it all under the square root. Let's take a look at an example on how we can use this formula to find the length of line segment L1 with the endpoint 8, 3, negative 6. That's going to be my E1, my first endpoint. And the second one, E2, is going to be 2, negative 1, negative 4. So again, first step, I like to label my endpoints. Great. Now I can just plug in where I should be. So my x values, I'm going to first do x2, which in their case is negative 2. Then x1, it's going to be 8. Do my y values, I have negative 1 and 3 go into the respected areas in the formula. Then I also have my z, my third dimension. I start with negative 4. And for x or z1, it's going to be negative 6. So now that I have it all underneath the square root in the formula, I can grab my calculator and just take this thing and put in my calculator. So press second square root and just start putting what you have written down. Negative 2 minus 8, I'm going to square it, plus negative 1 minus 3, square that, plus, again, my third dimension, my z, negative 4 minus, I'm going to use, minus parentheses, negative 6. And then again, I need that second parenthesis so I can close it off, and now I can square it. There we go. Press enter. And there we go. I'm going to just take everything on my calculator and write it out, but I only need to round to 3 significant figures. So I'm going to grab the first 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Those are the first 3, significant digits. Look to the number to the right of the last one. It's 5. So that means I got to round that 9 up to 10. Making, again, so that goes to 10. 0 goes there. 1 plus 0 is 1. So roughly, it's 11.0. So the line segment length, right here, the length of line segment L1 is about 11.0 to 3 significant figures. If you have any questions, please raise your hand or call us over. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.